Ari na naman ang intruder.
Video lang ka. Sige pa, vlog takeover.
Ano nang... Wow!
Hello bro, may gabi eh.
Hi, how are you?
Good evening. May ano naman ko.
Close the door, chef.
Wow, ang nawong ni Nini. Oh.
And hello everyone.
I'm with my sister.
While raining.
It's raining.
1 million.
What we bought in Aldi?
We bought a vacuum storage for the layas person.
Sige, go! Wow, bisan ulan.
Intro daw ka.
No, I don't need. Sige, go! Yes, rain or shine. We're going to the city centrum of Alps. Okay, go! We're going to buy meat here because I said I want a homemade burger stick. How will cost per kilo?
9 euro.
8 kilo.
Pila?
9.
Pila? Pila yung mukhaan?
Is wow, ang fish lot. Diyan sila.
Wala ba nakabala ko sa Picas profile na.
Nugo.
Siyempre, yung backlight kung makurog-kurog, tinda eh. What? Siyempre, yung backlight kung magkurog-kurog, kinagamay eh. Namila itong bayanan dari oh. Nami ang orange ba? Reflection. Ha? Nami ang reflection ba? Ayawa na naman ko siyang ibig sana. Tiklaw.
Yeah, go. Wow, ang kulot.
Hindi ka lain ang winter. pag-abot ko kay super challenge. Mga 1 minute.
Wow, most of the shop they are closed already. We are in the closing time.
Pagkasaday ka?
Nothing. Just wanna meet with my friend. Look at the clothing. I like it. Ano? Mga baligya.
Mga landmark na.
Landmark here in Als, but not in Brussels. Stand there. Oy, take your umbrella, oy.
Dili lang ko. Adalon din sila yun.
Okay.
Dili kita.
Take your umbrella.
Kada. Dili lang. Kanila.
Eating already. Kolot, my friend is there all waiting for me. Hurry up, bring your umbrella. Hinahanap mo.
Cheese lang. Wala.
Ayan no, cheeseburger. Hamburger.
Bilis!
That one. Look.
Hindi siya
Because you need to put the code. 886. Then go. Okay.
yung luya sa
Kabig naman ang luyang yan. Sige na, bumili ka na dyan. Ang kaibigan kong mayaman.
a large.
Hindi maklaro yung bubble. 650 bakla. Hindi mo narinig. 550 nga sa akin. Yes.
Regular.
Large yung sa kanya.
Nag-large lang ta. Wala na yung small.
Kaya nga, dapat large na lang pala kasi kunti lang ang ano.
Wala na yung small.
Paki-open, oh. Bubble tea ang sarap. Wow! Naka-shopping na si Madam ba? Dam!
Okay eh.
No, it's fine.
Ito sila isang friend ko. Dapat na summer na yung mag-meet.
Whose friend?
Sweden.
Ah, yeah. Anong pinangbakal mo ni? Dali iki atuan ang planchahon para masuot ko yung
Nami ang brand na napili ko.
yung which one?
Like this. Yung coat.
Anong nga may brown ko nga bayo? Ha? Nakita mo dito sa cabinet? A lot of bicycle. Electric and normal. It's better with a bicycle because there's no traffic.
Wala na abot sa point niya kasi complain sa ano ba sa weather. Ano okay lang ko kay gano. Si kinsa po siguro pagtungtong para may masurrender na.
So ayun, ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na meron akong kapamilya na malapit sa akin na anytime. She can able to visit me whenever she is free from school. So I'm just sharing with you guys a glimpse of pictures to add in this in the video that I have shared with you. So still in the city centrum in the night time. So it's a little bit dark already, but we enjoyed visiting the city centrum here in Als. And it's just a nice feeling that for a long time I left Philippines when she was still 8 years old, I guess, or 7. But now God allowed it that we will be together here in Europe. She's in Germany and I'm here in Belgium, which is 4 hours away by drive from our place to her place. So I'm just happy sharing with you guys our whenever we have time trips together. So actually guys, she is only 21 years old this year, but yeah, she has a lot of goals in life that she wants to achieve, and now she pursue her dream in coming to Europe, which is the Germany, who offers a student visa. So at the moment she is still studying the language of German, which is the Deutsch. So after that she will study nursing. So at the moment she is enjoying living alone in Germany, because not all the time she come to visit us, because we are also busy with our work. So whenever she have time, she come to visit us. But for the meantime, she is living in Germany and meeting new friends. By the way guys, I'm just sharing with you here a clips of the beautiful magnolia. So I was just so amazed because around March it was still cold, but then the trees of magnolia flower bloomed beautifully outside the house of my clients. In their garden guys, there's a huge tree of magnolia, and as you can see, it's really awesome, beautiful. Actually, I think it lasted for 2 weeks only, and the following week the flowers starting to fall already, and now only green leaf in the trees. So I took some photo also with it, and yeah, it's really beautiful, the color of the magnolia flower.